Hi, this is Claire from AHA. As you know, it's vitally important for product teams to communicate what you're going to build and when, so you can keep the broader team aligned. So today, we're going to take a look at how you can visualize your product plans. AHA Roadmaps makes it super easy to enter your data once, choose the perfect visualization, and then share a live version with others. Sounds good, right? Let's explore your roadmap options. The Starter Roadmap is a great choice if you don't have existing plans and want to begin fresh. Any information you add on the roadmap creates real product data that can be used in other views, making it easy to build out your plans as you go. Quickly add new records, such as goals, releases and features, and move them into place on the roadmap. Click any record to enter more details. And customize your roadmap to create a beautiful visualization of your plans. Now let's take a look at the Portfolio Roadmap. This template is perfect for highlighting plans across multiple products. You can see how individual product releases support strategic initiatives and how those releases are progressing. The circles at the top of the view show when releases will be delivered across your entire suite of products, making it easy to see how everything ties together. Of course, you can customize the Portfolio Roadmap to show only the product lines and products you choose. And you can use the timeline controls to focus your view on a specific date range. The Strategy Roadmap is for showing the timing and progress of critical initiatives. Choose which initiatives you want to include, or create new ones as you go. Then organize those initiatives the way you want. Here, we sort our initiatives by status to see how we're progressing against our product strategy. You can also change the order of the bars using drag and drop. Next, show how your strategy will become a reality. You can expand initiatives to see any linked epics and features and adjust the timing to show when the work will be delivered. Automatically align the start and end date of each initiative with the duration of any visible child records. And add dependencies. This helps keep broader plans in sync. As you can see, the Strategy Roadmap is an incredibly powerful view for building product plans, from high-level initiatives right down to the details. Sometimes you want to go even deeper into the details. The Features Roadmap is your go-to view for visualizing exactly what you will deliver and when. You have full control over which releases and features you want to show or not show. This is ideal for creating distinct views for customers, partners, and internal teams. As with all of our roadmap templates, you can customize just about everything. For example, you can choose what information you want to display for each release and feature. Here, we update the roadmap to show the status of each release. We also select Use External Dates to communicate the timeframe for delivery without setting unrealistic expectations. Have a different use case in mind? Quickly create a custom roadmap to precisely match your needs. Our report builder provides some examples to help you get started. Or you can build your own. Select which record types you want to show, choose dates, add fields, and select how your roadmap bars should be grouped to bring your data to life. When you are ready, share your beautifully crafted roadmap. You can add live roadmap views to AHA presentations, publish as secure web pages, or export as a PDF or image. If you need help, use the question mark in your account. Get started today with a free 30-day trial, or join one of our live weekly demos. Our customer success team is all former product managers and AHA experts. We want to help you build beautiful visual roadmaps and get meaningful work done.